Hello, my brothers and sisters. We're in the fall semester and we're doing community health methods. My name is Letwin Gwanzura. I am from Zimbabwe and I have done au pair, childcare, Red Cross, and caregiving. And also, I have done a short course on ECD. I love hiking, swimming, reading, and watching movies. I love working with special needs children. I love to make a difference in someone's life. On our right there, it's me with a little cute boy called Joel Raffles. He's autistic, and I've worked with him for 4 years, 4.5 years. Um, when I got there, you couldn't do much, and the parents have given hope, like they've been told that he won't be able to do anything in his life. You will have to have someone helping him all the time. And my brothers and sisters, I helped this little boy. I googled, I watched stories about autism, and I learned that um, they're able to learn to do stuff. Like by the time that I left, he was able to feed himself. That's something that when I got there you couldn't. He was able to dress himself. He was able to make number two in the toilet. Although he still used to make wheeze on the diaper. And uh, yeah, that's the kind of thing that I love doing. My favorite scripture, my favorite scripture is Doctrine and Covenants 98, verse 1 to 3. Here, the Lord talks about, tells us about the prayers that we make unto Him. Says the prayers are recorded. The Lord shall grant them. You know, he gave it this he gave us his promise, and you will fulfill it. And this is comforting to me, knowing that every time that I kneel down and pray, he's there listening to me, and although he knows what I need already, but he take note and record that and seal it for me, not for anyone else, but for me. That's a very comforting feeling. Public health and career goals. I don't have much public health experience, but I have volunteered in child and special needs children homes, in old people's homes, and in that other home that they had forgot forgot the name of the home, but they were all disabled people, like who use wheelchairs, who can't do much. That's me with the late called Anna there. That's where the home was. And on the far top right, that's me at special needs school. And on the far left, that's me with a cute little girl. She's got HDD. And at the bottom is a child who was adopted, and he's struggling with a lot in life. He has to go to physio, he has to see all the speech therapists, he has to see eye specialist. Like, so that's my experience in public health, like the voluntary work that I've done. Career goals. Career goals. I wish to be able to attain a degree in public health, and that I'll be able to help those in need, especially in the special needs area, like those who are disabled, who have HDT, all those kind of people. Aim for this class. Aim for this class, I want to be able to develop a community partnership to impact public health in the community. I want to be able to explain about healthy policies that impact health outcomes. I want to be able to demonstrate community health assessments, and I want to be effective leader in public health practice. And I want to be able to explain educational health in the community. And I love to work with the community and the public. Thank you, my brothers and sisters.